In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Skype not opening on Windows 10. If Skype refuses to launch, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through a quick repair and, if needed, a full reset of the app. We'll stick to the built-in Windows tools so you don't have to download anything extra. Start by opening the app settings for Skype. Click the Start menu, then begin typing Skype into the search box. When you see Skype appear in the results, right-click it and choose App Settings. If you're on a touch device, a long press works like a right-click. This opens a dedicated page for Skype where you can manage storage, permissions, and troubleshooting options. Inside the App Settings page, scroll down to the section labeled Reset. Here, click Repair. This process checks for problems with the app's files and attempts to fix them without touching your personal data. Your chats and contacts are not removed by this repair, and your settings should remain intact. It usually takes just a few moments, and you might not see much visual feedback. Just let it complete. When the repair finishes, restart your computer. A restart clears out any stuck processes and ensures Skype starts fresh the next time it runs. After your PC boots back up, try opening Skype again. In many cases, this alone resolves the issue. If Skype still won't open, return to the same app settings page and choose Reset. This is a deeper fix. Resetting will delete the app's data, remove your preferences, and sign you out. Think of it as putting Skype back to its original state. Before you proceed, make sure you remember your Skype sign-in details because you'll need to log in again afterward. Any customizations, like notification tweaks or appearance settings, will be cleared and can be reconfigured later. Once the reset completes, restart your computer one more time. After the reboot, launch Skype and sign in. With a clean slate and a fresh start, the app should open normally and run smoothly. That's the full process. Open app settings, repair first, restart, and if needed, perform a reset, restart again, and sign back in. It's simple, effective, and uses only the tools built into Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.